Currently, Cardano ADA is passing through a buying zone and it is going to follow a bullish trend, said a lot of experts. But is all that all for you to know? Michael Burry recently warned that Cardano ADA holders calling the whole scenario a bubble. Is that true? Hello guys and welcome to Cardano Future, your daily dose of Cardano news. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Watch till the end if you want to get the latest in everything, and today we'll talk about what Michael Burry said about Cardano ADA and whether the Cardano market is secured enough for investment or not. But before that, give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also reminding you again, don't forget to hit that bell icon to join our monthly cash giveaway that's pinned in the comments. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Now, Cardano is mainly an advanced crypto project based on proof of stake, which was created to overcome three major drawbacks in the crypto industry. Those are interoperability, scalability, and sustainability. The POS model combined with a unique approach based on a well-researched algorithm provided the scalability. Cardano was started with the realization of how in the real world fiats are required to be converted from one currency to another for ease of use. That is why Cardano employed the KMZ sidechains protocol, which can be considered as a bridge to allow them to transform one crypto to another coin of the same value. As you can see, the creator of the Cardano ADA, Charles Hoskinson, got a very academic and rational approach, which thoroughly is dedicated to the problem-solving capability of the platform. This means Cardano ADA is there to play a long game in the market. The current market cap of Cardano is $47 billion, making it the sixth largest market cap so far. The ADA tokens are trading at $1.42 each. If you take a look at the chart of Cardano, it came up a bit by 0.41% since yesterday. Compared to the monthly chart, Cardano ADA followed a consistent bearish trend for a considerably long time. But the good news is it bounced back as it hit its support line at around $1.24 price range, and it is going to be in an uptrend. Many of you guys were in a panic with losses in your portfolios, but now investors and traders are pretty much hopeful about the future. But this is just the beginning. Michael Burry, about the case of Cardano ADA, thinks completely otherwise. That could even give you a shock. Before we talk about what Michael Burry said, you should know who he is. He is an investor, physician, and hedge fund manager as well. He founded Scion Capital, a popular hedge fund. He continued the venture from 2000 to 2008. And that's not all. He is also best known as one of the first investors in the market who was able to predict and make profits from the U.S. subprime mortgage crisis, which happened between 2007 and 2010, leading to the market crash. For your information, the character of Michael Burry is played by famous Hollywood actor Christian Bale in the Oscar-nominated movie The Big Short, directed by Adam McKay, which was based on the U.S. mortgage market and its collapse as well. Anyway, Michael Burry previously ran some inquiry regarding how to bet against the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. But then it made a new record, hitting a 6-month high as soon as it reached the $60,000 level. In one of his tweets, Burry stated, "Okay, I haven't done this before. How do you short a cryptocurrency? Do you have to secure a borrow? Is there a short rebate? Can the position be squeezed and called it in such volatile situations? I tend to think it's best not too short, but I'm thinking out loud here." Traders and market experts are pretty much hoping that the regulators of the United States were more likely to approve the first Bitcoin futures. This type of step might help the mainstream traders and investors, providing them immense exposure to the crypto market. It enables the platform a greater acceptance from the global users of digital assets. Michael Burry used to be quite vocal when it comes to criticizing the cryptocurrency market. He has always pointed to the insane volatility of the market and the speculative activities in trading as well. Previously, he compared Bitcoin to the bubble of the U.S. housing market that happened in 2007. Unbelievably, he had bet against the then housing market's bullish trend. Not only that, he made an immense profit as well. He was depicted in Michael Lewis's book, The Big Short. MSCI announced that there are $7.1 trillion in market cap tied to stocks of companies holding crypto. But point to be noted that MSCI also mentioned on an important note that only 79 people out of 6,500 members of the corporate board have expertise in the crypto market. They describe this not as a bug, but as a feature. Burry, at the current time, has around $340 million of the asset. Recently, he delivered an official mail exclusively to CNBC stating that he was not shorting any cryptocurrency so far, but also so far, he believed that the crypto market is nothing but a bubble. In his recent tweet, Burry shared his opinion on a variety of topics, including taxing the rich of the country to the Federal Reserve and former President Donald Trump. According to him, the Bitcoin market is nothing but a bubble. He also mentioned that it won't last long. Before the crash of 2018, a strong correlation in the market of cryptocurrency was visible. In that very year, the price of Bitcoin got reduced following a downtrend like never before. Not only the Bitcoin, but the fall in prices took place in the other cryptocurrencies as well. When the supply of coin is limited, it is a sign of a deflationary currency. This simply means that as more and more Bitcoin keeps on getting mined, the price of each token of the Bitcoin will significantly go upward. This rise in turn encourages investors to put their money in a particular cryptocurrency. Even the movements of each investor can make a huge difference in the price chart of the coin. Apart from this, news headlines and speculation are the reasons why critics of the cryptocurrency think its growth is a bubble. A lot of predictions may forecast which direction the market would go, but they barely find any reliability. However, Michael Burry previously predicted a couple of primary reasons behind the fall. After his tweets, Bitcoin got some more attention from global investors and traders. A lot of people believe that the coin might not be a bubble at all. The study of Bitcoin's patterns showed that the crypto coins reached their all-time high price range in each 4 years gap. After making that high, they tend to fall, followed by a gradual rise again when the price starts going back to its highest value, which was set in the last 4-year rise. A large part of the crypto community speculates that Michael Burry shorted or sold the Bitcoin right after he posted the price chart of Bitcoin when the price of the cryptocurrency was hovering around $30,000. He also proposed publicly that it was the best time for shorting, but in response to the crypto community, Burry neither confirmed nor denied the speculation about his shorting of Bitcoin. When Burry tweeted asking about shorting cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin's price was somewhere around $58,000. Subsequently, the price followed an uptrend until it touched $62,000. According to Burry, that rise was also just a further expansion of the bubble before its massive burst out. One thing that is very important to consider here, Burry is giving warnings not only for Bitcoin, he is talking about the crypto market as a whole, including Cardano ADA. Here, a significant question arises: what will be the price of Cardano ADA in 2025? A lot of analysts are hopeful that Cardano will rise in the future. They even feel confident that it would cross the $5 mark. That is fine, but several people also speculate that it would reach even $70. They are holding their dime on the advanced and reliable blockchain technology, scalability, and interoperability, a faster transaction in just a moment, etc. On the other hand, according to another exchange platform, CoinSwitch, their prediction says that the price of ADA token might only rise to $3 in 2025 or less. Trading beasts are also not hopeful about Cardano ADA. They also suggested that the ADA token price can rise to $3 maximum by the middle of 2024. So, can't it reach the milestone of $5? As for them to go up there, the market cap of ADA has to be triple what it is now. Well, that is it for today's video, guys. Also, we'd like to mention that this is not intended specifically for financial advice. We do not ask you to invest in it. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing in educational content. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, peace out.